Hey guys, this is Delta21 Fan here with my airsoft riot shield. So I just made this about 30 minutes ago, maybe, not even. All you really need is just some plexiglass and some duct tape. What I did is up here I have this, I don't know, I'd say 2x4 sheet of plexiglass, and under here you see all the stuff. Over here I have a broken one, and I just put this on top of it. These handles over here, I made this one bigger and this one smaller, and all it really is duct tape, and you stick one sticky side to sticky side, and that's all you really have to do, reinforce it with some other duct tape. And if you want to, I did just duct tape the corners so that you don't get stabbed. And over here, I have a little pistol hole. You put your pistol through, your mini Uzi, whatever. And on this side, one sec. This side, got the handles. That's pretty much it.